everyone, it's me, Sharon Mudgett with Salon Innovations, and today we're talking about one of my favorite styling staples from the Solutions by Great Clips line, Designing Taffy. If you haven't had a chance to play with this little jar of magic yet, don't worry. I'll walk you through what it does, how it is used, and why it's one of the most versatile products to keep at your station. Now, before we begin, I want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip or tutorial to keeping your confidence up behind the chair. So now, Designing Taffy is a pliable hold styling cream that adds shine, texture, and definition without ever feeling sticky or stiff. It works on so many hair types like short crops, curls, fine textures, you name it. And you can use it on damp or dry hair, and it layers beautifully if you want to build control without buildup. What I love the most about this product is its adaptability. Whether your customer is going for something that is soft and polished or edgy and rough, Designing Taffy shapes their mood. You're in control of the finish. So I love Designing Taffy because it does a multitude of different things. It can either be used as a smoothing agent or it can be used as a high texture agent. And so it's important to remember that when you're using Designing Taffy, that a little goes a long way. If you overuse this product, it can get heavy pretty quick. So I always like to start with only a pea-size amount, and I emulsify it between my fingers as well. And then I start working it through underneath from the scalp all the way to the ends. Once I have distributed it, what's cool is I can either use this on dry hair or I can use it on wet hair, and it can be blow dried. And when you're using this product to blow dry, and that is where smoothing can come in. And then afterwards, I could go in and add a little texture with the product once I've blow dried this up. So as you can see, I have quite a bit of shine, which I love. I have texture, I have volume, and I only used a pea-size amount of this product. I didn't go nuts and overuse it. Now, I do really like to use it as kind of a finishing product as well. So I like to take a little pea-size amount on the back of my hands, and I just put it in my fingertips, and then that way I can just go through and do any specific detailing that I want prior to putting on any hairsprays or fixatives in that manner. Also, if you have really curly haired customers and they're wanting, to break up their curl and give it a little bit more, sleekness and smoothness, this is a wonderful product to go in and to break up those curls that they have gone in and corkscrewed and allowed to kind of just air dry. And it definitely gives that curl a little bit more of that definition. And it defines the curl in a really different way than just allowing them to not have any product in them at all. Because, of course, the goal is to define the curl, but it's also to help keep these ends from getting too frizzy and fuzzy as well. And Designing Taffy is one of those products that a curly-haired customer is going to be able to go in all day long and just grab a piece of their curl and rework it right in to kind of remanipulate the shape that they're trying to go for. So that's the Solutions Designing Taffy, a lightweight, versatile styling cream that gives texture, shine, and touchable hold for any customer in your chair. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, click subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident, stay creative, and stay